Green Scene Landscaping and Pools, we take pride in creating custom luxury outdoor living spaces that transform ordinary yards into extraordinary retreats. Our latest Porter Ranch project, affectionately named Fountasia, showcases why we're known as the wow factor contractor. This gorgeous landscape and hardscape was a true collaboration between our award-winning design team and the homeowners, who had admired our work in the Westcliff Toll Brothers development and wanted similar water features and design elements incorporated into their property. The front yard immediately sets the tone for the home with an elegant entrance featuring a stunning fountain. Guests are invited to cross a charming bridge that spans the water feature, creating a one-of-a-kind approach that enhances curb appeal and delivers that signature green scene wow factor. In the rear yard, we designed the space for entertaining and relaxation by installing a corner water fountain with built-in seating, perfect for hosting large parties. The expansive covered outdoor living space was upgraded with travertine stone pavers, giving it a resort-like feel and blending indoor comfort with outdoor ambiance. Landscaping was carefully planned to complement the Mediterranean architecture of the home. We craned in large specimen olive trees for instant maturity and character and surrounded them with drought-tolerant, low-maintenance plantings chosen for year-round beauty. As with all of our projects, we focused on water conservation by installing an efficient drip irrigation system to ensure sustainable water management, a crucial consideration in California's climate. On the side yard, we built a fully equipped outdoor kitchen, shaded by a zero-maintenance aluminum pergola. To match the Tuscan style of the home, we custom-cast a bar table with architectural post supports, creating an ideal spot for cooking and dining al fresco. The name Fountasia was inspired by our design team's imagination and pays homage to Disney's Fantasia, reflecting the magical combination of water, music, and artistry that defines this project. If you've been dreaming about a backyard with custom water features, travertine patios, drought-tolerant landscaping, and a luxury outdoor kitchen, call the Green Scene today to reserve time with one of our designers and experience the difference of working with the wow factor contractor.
Green Scene, the wow factor contractor.